Od bura mar Senet opuodho kete chik twak mar manyo kwe kind sirikal kod Azimio moja One Kenya mar neno ni gichopo e winjruok kaka inyalo tieki midhiero mamako jopiny Kenya kaendie. Jokanyo mag komiti matayo twak yande ne ochwalo dwaro ne od bura mapachoka mondo opuodh twak makamano mondo obed kod mise mage e bwo chike mapacho kaendie kendo gik magikalo obed mago mosir kod chike bende.
That the National Dialogue Committee shall formulate and adopt a framework agreement to guide the bipartisan talks. That the National Dialogue Committee shall report to the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and Azimio coalitions within 60 days and thereafter submit its report to Parliament. That in the execution of its mandate, the National Dialogue Committee may invite, engage with and consider submission from stakeholders, collect views from the public and engage experts, professionals and other technical resource persons as necessary. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Kwa dembele,